G Beats, G Beats, G Beats.
I've been harder than I ever been, most likely cause I got your girl back in my bed again. I'm the best, it's evident, I do this for the hell of it. We own the building, bitch, you are just a resident. Pockets on president, my swag is one of excellence. Fuck with me, I have to set fire to your tenement. To kill you, I'm not hesitant, fresher than some peppermint. Take out your notes and I'ma show you what the lesson is. Watch as my flow gonna roll with a roll up. Highway facts, but I get they told up. Cadillac doors amazed when they fold up. Riding in the whip with a truck with a motor. I'm gonna blow the already told. Just slinging that coke without that coda. Show up to the party, then we pour. Don't wanna get any more facts, I'm afraid I fight one of them in the sky. They ask me how I ride, so people wave when I pass by. I just really wanna know why everybody in the game keep trying me. Cause I'm an odd white boy and I'm ugly, but I got a buzz like a bumblebee. And I know you got swag, I know you stay popping tags. I know you got the haters mad. I know you steady blow smoke. I know you always roll low. I know you stay pulling hoes. I know.
I do it how it does it. Haters talking mess, boy. Ooh, you know I love it. I am so above it, hotter than the oven. Me and Shine Doe get hoes by the dozen. No, I ain't styling, but these hoes rushing. They ain't got guns, but these hoes stay bustin'. I keep my dip tucked in unless that bitch suckin'. Puffin' on some berry weed, bitch, I call it huffin'. Ooh. And the bitches call it yum yum. This is our year, boy, 2011. Flow like a stun gun, pockets on Benjamin. Whoops, I mean Benjamin. Watch me as I throw some. And bitch, you wish you had it. Flow so cold, you should go and get a jacket. And stuntin' is a habit. I'ma get money till I'm laying in my casket. I know
you got swag. I know you stay popping tags. I know